Good evening. It's August 4th. I'm John, and this is News Billings. Tonight, the FCC unanimously approved plans to increase subsidies for high-speed internet in rural areas through the Affordable Connectivity Plan. The current $30 monthly discount for eligible households will be raised to $75. This aims to incentivize more internet service providers to participate, especially in costly deployment areas. The program already has 19.8 million low-income households enrolled, but challenges remain in providing broadband services in rural communities. The plan complements broadband equity, accessibility, and deployment. Grant funding, ISPs must offer low-cost broadband to eligible subscribers. However, its future beyond 2024 depends on Congress approving additional funding. A recent report indicates that almost half of Oklahoma's rural hospitals are at the risk of closure due to serious financial problems. Approximately 24 of these hospitals are in immediate danger of shutting down within the next 2 to 3 years. The primary reason for the risk is insufficient payments from private health insurers, particularly primary care and emergency services. While the 2020 decision to expand Medicaid in Oklahoma may provide some relief, there are concerns about economic impact and disparities that hospital closures could bring to small town communities. Therefore, suggests increasing payments from private insurers to cover primary and emergency care costs. Urgent action is required to protect rural healthcare access, as at least 31 rural area hospitals have closed nationwide since the start of 2020. Farm lending activity in commercial banks slowed Q1 of 2023 due to rising interest rates. Non-real estate farm loans declined for the second consecutive quarter, with agricultural loan interest rates increasing for the sixth consecutive quarter. Variable rate notes became more prevalent as rates rose rapidly over the past year. The outlook for the U.S. farm economy has moderated with limited profit opportunities and higher production expenses. While farm finances remain strong, farm profitability will be a crucial credit condition and lending demand in the coming months. Officials representing Atlas Van Lines say employees in the Evansville area have been furloughed. They say they've had to do some restructuring because of market conditions. Here is their full statement. Due to the challenging market conditions impacting our industry, we have made the difficult decision to restructure our Evansville-based companies, which resulted in a small furlough of our workforce. While the decision was made to ensure our long-term stability, we understand the impact it has on affected employees and sincerely appreciate their contributions to our company. Earlier this week, the trucking company USF Holland, a subsidiary of Yellow, shut down in Evansville. The Yellow Corporation shutdown has created a void in the LTL, less than truckload industry, leading to higher costs for shippers, according to trucking industry analysts. The price difference could result in a 20 to 25% increase in pricing per pound, with an overall price increase of 7 to 10%. Shippers who relied on Yellow's low-cost services may now face higher-priced alternatives. XPO executives mentioned that Yellow's closure is disrupting the market and driving up pricing due to a reduction in capacity. Shippers who diverted freight to other carriers before the shutdown were able to take advantage of available trucking capacity in a slower economy. While the situation is unfortunate for Yellow's employees, the timing of the disruption allows shippers some opportunity to consolidate and utilize full truckload options. That brings today's edition of News Billings to a close. Thank you for joining us, and as always, stay tuned for more updates and in-depth analysis on the latest news.